What's up everybody, Fritz here, coming back at you from SVBimmer. The F83 M4 is a magnificent car that deserves something better than these wimpy paddle shifters. And that's exactly why we're installing a more aggressive carbon fiber version from Autotecknic in order to give this car the aggressive, majestic look it deserves. Let's get into the video. These carbon fiber paddle shifters from Autotecknic are a welcome upgrade to any BMW, but one we feel is essential to the F83 M4. A car this majestic, with its drop top, can't continue to sport these stubby OEM paddle shifters. It's actually a shame that an Austin Yellow M4 didn't come with something more aggressive from factory. But with just about an hour's worth of time, we can remedy this problem. If you plan on doing this yourself, you'll only need a few basic hand tools, and make sure to have a few pick tools as well. As soon as the battery is disconnected, we'll pop off the airbag and disconnect the steering wheel, giving us full access to remove the OEM paddle shifters. Although we will be reusing the OEM electronic components and hardware, Autotecknic supplies a new housing to join the shifter with its corresponding module. Once the new shifters are installed and connected, you'll instantly notice the 40% increase in size, giving you better tactile feedback with every shift. However, just because it's bigger doesn't mean it's clunkier and you'll accidentally hit it. These were designed to fit the exact contours of the OEM steering wheel, so it will never be an obstacle, just an enhancement. An enhancement that comes in a multitude of colors, accents, and finishes. If you want, you can even order a custom set to match perfectly with your car's style and theme. But the classic carbon always looks amazing. After all, the main objective of this mod is to help you go faster while maintaining safety in a comfortable position. Because when it comes to piloting a vehicle, the driver is at optimum control when they become one with the car. And that's exactly what happens when you install the Autotecknic carbon fiber paddle shifters on your F83 M4. Just like that, we've upgraded the paddle shifters on your BMW, giving you more surface area to shift, allowing you to have a more comfortable hand position on the steering wheel, depending on what you want, and leading to a better driving experience overall. If you want to pick up a set for yourself, it's going to be in the links down in the description. If you have any questions for us, leave it in the comment section, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos, and we'll see all of you in the next one.